y'all. This is the time of the year that I start experimenting with new recipes for the holidays. And we, you know, in case we want to change something up, something like that. So this year we're going to do macaroni and cheese. It's going to be one of the ones that we do. So we're going to try it out. And we figured you might want to come along and, you know, see what we're up to. This particular recipe is a Pinterest recipe for mac and cheese. It's called Mac and Cheese for a Crowd. It's from bottom left of the mitten.com. Never tried it before. I've never used evaporated milk, let me just say that, for my macaroni and cheese. So please don't come after me, but I've never used it before. So this will be the first time I use just regular old milk, but I usually do it in the oven or on the stovetop. So we're just going to try a few different ways, see which one we like. So let's get started. This is going to take place in a crock pot or a slow cooker, and you need to cook your elbow macaroni, 16 ounces of it, boil it and drain it and cool it off before you do this, okay? So I got this on low. First thing, we need to spray the inside of it, or if you've got a liner, that'll work, okay? Now, this has been cooling, so this macaroni is kind of sticky. So I don't know how that's going to play into it, but we'll see. Can't get it out. So typically, wouldn't have got this far, but life happened, so not too much going on to get to it. So I'm sure that I overdid it on the macaroni, but I'll just put it all in there and see what happens. Okay, this is not going to be made with a roux. Some people have like a flour-based cheese sauce that goes in here. This one's not like that. I specifically did not want one that way. So we'll just try it and see how it goes. Okay. So, I'm supposed to take half of a large pack of Velveeta, which is 16 ounces. Cube it up and then put it on top of your macaroni. And you know, if after going through all this I realize that it's not enough cheese, I'll just add some. Okay. Now, shake your evaporated milk as a 12-ounce can, and then pour it over everything. So that's the milk. Okay. And I'm supposed to, let me get a bowl real quick. I'm supposed to add all the spices in the bowl, mix them together, and then pour over everything. So the first thing we're going to need is garlic powder. We need 1 teaspoon. We need a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. Which y'all know me, I want to put like a heaping, so I'm going to put a little extra. 1/8 of a teaspoon of, see if I can get it open, black pepper. Okay, and a teaspoon parsley. Now that kind of threw me because we don't put parsley in our macaroni, but the recipe called for it, so. Alright. Stir to combine and pour over the pasta. Okay. A little bit scared, but I'm gonna do it. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to cover this and I'm going to let it cook. And then I'll get back with you. See you in a few minutes. Okay, y'all, this is what it looks like. It's all done. It really didn't take long. Only took maybe an hour, hour and a half. I added a little bit of milk, regular milk, when I noticed it wasn't creamy. Just because, you know, it kind of wasn't, it seemed like it wasn't coming together. So it's okay. It tastes alright. I'm not sure that this is going to be the one that I used for Thanksgiving because it needs like a sharp cheddar flavor, and Velveeta is not it. So back to the drawing board on this one, but it tastes fine. I'm going to serve it tonight with just some fried okra and some Brussels sprouts. We kind of do some meatless dinners every now and then, so this will be one of them. You know, it's just a way of me experimenting. But thank you so much for coming along on my experiment. I'm sure we'll do some more. See you later.